Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Before we begin, please do make sure to like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we are taking a look at Verasity today here, as we can see on the chart. Looking like, as I said before, over the past few days we have come down and closed below that overall 023 Fibonacci level. You can see here, if I actually zoom out so you can, Jesus Christ, I've got this thing dragged out a lot. I'm going to move it in a bit so you can actually see it when I'm looking at the chart. So obviously it's dragged from the bull market high down to the current low of the bear market somewhere here. And you can see obviously this key 023 Fibonacci level, which has been playing a role for a little while now here. You can see we have actually come down and closed below this over the past few days. You can see we had a little bit of relief followed by another red day yesterday to come down, make another swing low, getting down into this very oversold territory, as I said before. And typically from what we've seen for Verasity, as I said in yesterday's video, every time we do get down into this oversold territory and pretty much cross the line oversold, if I look at every single time here that we've crossed the line, pretty much every single time we have had a little bit of a bounce on the chart. Obviously in this region here we were in the pits of low volume, low interest in Verasity as well. But typically since we've had this bounce here and volume has returned to Verasity, especially on this chart, you can see the huge move up here when we were in this region. Obviously breaking out of a lot of key levels here as well. You can see we got that massive big move to the upside, overextension, got stuck under the 1 cent level. People started taking profits, come down to the 023 Fibonacci as support, got oversold here, got a nice bounce back up to this key level here, this key swing high and swing low resistance, supporting the previous bull market. Now, you know, looking like we're still stuck under it in this bear market scenario until we do see some more confirmations of the bull. And you can see here we've got that overextension looking to come up and target the 038 there. You can see quite clearly we were doing something like this coming up towards there. But we've got front run, a strong rejection back down inside the range that we were kind of forming here. You can see a little bit of a range here. You know, testing the low, testing the high, overextension, testing the low, and then looks like with the bearish sentiment in the market, we have come down again in this area here, looking to find some support, heading down into this region here. And you would say, you know, in and around this level here, I'd probably say that is pretty much where we have found the bounce actually, isn't it? You can see there's a good amount of structure in this area here. Clearly we have broke the downtrend. We've come up and made a very clear higher high here after, you know, all these lower lows and lower highs on the daily time frame. Smashed up here, you know, we've cleared all of these highs here, really got up into this level obviously where we got stuck. But you can see here clearly made a higher high. Looking like we are retracing a little bit of an ABC correction maybe back down into this key level or area in this area, I would say, of structure, looking for where we'll find that bounce. And you know, you could look at your higher high, higher low, higher high scenario if that is the case. The way that I'm playing this right now, I'm just averaging into a long position for Verasity. Pretty much every single time we come down and hit a key level, I'm adding to my position. I've added here, here, and here again. I'm probably looking to add more somewhere in this region here, and definitely down here if we get down to this previous area here. None of this has been filled, so you'd probably predict really that we haven't even back tested this level yet. We'd probably come down into this region here and get the back test for a bounce, in my opinion, because this parabolic move obviously back tested no levels at all, and really we do need to see those back tested before we do see ourselves moving to the upside. So like I said, right now I've got a long-term bag for Verasity. I'm not too concerned, and I'm just averaging into a long position right now, waiting for a bounce in the market. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.